Hi, I'm Jason with bathbombmachine.com, and this is our new BMAX2 system. It uses our existing B49 and it adds a little bit more to it to help increase your productivity. So what we've done is taken two of our B49 mold blocks and combined them into one unit. And then we have these roller tables and we have a power extraction table. And so I'm going to demonstrate without mix right now just how this would work. So it's kind of split up into two stations. On this side where I am, there'd be a person responsible for filling the mold cavities with mix and running it through the machine. And then on that side, there'd be a person utilizing the power extraction table and unloading the product into drying racks. So let me just run this through real quick and show you the basics. Okay, there's 50 bath bombs just like that. And you'll notice I'm not having to lift these blocks. They're always supported by the roller tables. Now, over here, ideally, while someone's doing filling and pressing there, someone else is unloading what was just previously pressed. So with the power extraction, all your product is right here. You can unload it onto a drying racks or a table. When it's done, you slide it over, ready for them to load and press. Here I've got another one, recently pressed. I bring it in, more product to unload, and the cycle just keeps going. Very efficient. You don't have to lift these blocks. They're always supported by the table. Power extraction. It's the BMAX2 system.